Okay, I'll keep it short. The DEG, the German Investment and Development Company, is based in Cologne. We are part of the KfW group of banks. We are a development finance institution. This is our core business, to finance projects in Asia, in Africa, in Latin America, in emerging markets, in developing countries. Like a commercial bank, the difference to a commercial bank is that we are only investing or financing in these countries, and that we take our risk not in the balance of the German or the local company, but in the new project. And yeah, you see, we are founded in 1962. Meanwhile, 450 employees, based in Cologne. Shareholder is the KfW, and that means that we are indirectly a government-owned bank. New commitments in 2010 were 1.2 billion euro. What you see on the right side is remarkable. It's the new building of DEG in Cologne. It's been awarded as a green building, as a low-emission building. That means that heating and air conditioning is not working so well. So, in my small department, okay, better? In my department, we have 20 employees, 20 colleagues. We are doing something different from the core business of DEG. We are implementing for some ministries special programs, and that's also the name of the department, special programs. This special program is called Develop, DE. You see the 3P, that means public-private partnership. It's a program of the Federal Ministry of Economic Cooperation and Development. The idea behind this program is to increase developmental and environmental effects in developing countries by using private engagement, private investment in these countries. Target group are German and European companies, or they are joint ventures in emerging countries, in developing countries. It's a non-refundable financial contribution from our side of maximum 50% of the cost of the project, with a maximum of 200,000 euro. You can see the requirements. The project cannot be required by law. It must complete include a public contribution in the form of a cooperation with local authorities, local universities, associations, what else? Yeah, as I said, German European companies are eligible. They should be 3 years in the market, and they should have a minimum annual turnover of 1 million euro, and they should have 10 employees as a minimum. So what can we co-finance exactly? We cannot co-finance just the investment. If somebody calls me and tells me, I want to invest in Brazil, it costs 1 million, but I have only 800,000. Can you give me 200,000? That's not what we mean. It should be something special, what goes beyond that, what a company would do normally. It can be establishment of supply chain management, improvement of social standards, working standards, technology transfer, or in this case, in the field of renewable energies, these are mostly demonstration facilities or pilot plants. Yeah, we have kind of competitions of ideas 4 times a year. It's something between a tender and a beauty contest. Companies can send us applications 4 times a year, and the special topics in this year are resource and climate protection and energy. And to open it also for other companies and to meet the needs of the companies, we have a third topic. It's called innovation, so that everybody can send us ideas. It's not so interesting for you, the 6 steps of the project. I think there's step 1 from the proposal to step 4, conclusion of contract, takes from 3 months to 6 months, and step 5 and 6 normally take 1 to 3 years. So that's programs existing since 1999, and we co-financed 628 projects. And what is very interesting, and our ministry likes it very much, that we generated with each public euro 1.8 private euros. That's also the idea behind it, to increase these positive effects with public money. We see most of the projects we realized in Asia. I think 50 or 60% of these in China. Then comes Africa and Latin America. Latin America mostly in Mexico and Brazil, but also in other countries, some projects. Yeah, some examples. First example, Chile. You know, Chile is an important wine producing country, and the idea behind this project is with 2 German companies to create a kind of low emission wine producing that will mean waste to energy. And we are working together in this project with universities in Chile, and I think it's not yet finished, the project, but it's working quite well. The second example is with a Dutch company. More or less the same. It's a demonstration facility to show that you can generate energy from waste. I'm just realizing that both examples are linked to the production of alcoholic beverages. Sorry. This is very successful in Mexico. We started with 1 factory, and meanwhile I think 40 or 50 distilleries of tequila are having shown their interest in also buying this technology from the company. Out of this program we can also finance feasibility studies. The applicant should be the investor, and all the conditions are more or less the same then. And overmore we have another program, climate partnerships with the private sector for the Federal Ministry of Environment, and it's a small program. Out of develop, we could last year realize 75 projects, and out of this only 8. It has a little bit a different focus, of course. They are focusing on South Africa and India and China, and on environment especially. So, for more information, our website deginvest.de. Thank you very much.